Good afternoon, guys. So here you can see already I have bought one lot of the put 17,000. So because why I bought it, because you can clearly see there is a gap up opening and the bulls are not in the favor of the market, so I think it will fall. So I had clearly set a target at the support itself, and though our put has a delta of minus 0.26, so if you are going to keep the target at 17,500 at a spot, then it is around 16 rupees for the premium to go, because 16 into 0.26 equals to 78 around, which is if it goes 78 rupees down in the spot, then it comes to our target, that is 17,500. So let's see what happens. We had already bought, so we can clearly see there is a stop loss order also, though our target will be at 211 by 121, because 16 is a profit. So we had bought around 106. That 106, if I bought it, then after adding the profit which we might get if your target is hit, then the total amount will be 12 point something. So I had taken 121 and 2-3 rupees extras for the charges. So let's see what happens. You can clearly see 70 rupees is a stop loss. So just like I'm calculating the stop loss according to the calculation of the put delta. So if the target if the puts goes up, then I will look into that and I will create a stop loss out of it, because if you buy a premium buy a option, then you can't give a stop loss to it if you haven't bought it in MIS order, like in CO order, cover order or bracket order. Then you can do that, but without that it is not, the target order is tough to make. But I think I just forgot to do that. At GTT order you can do that. I just forgot to mention, at GTT order you can do right now. Okay, so I haven't used GTT order yet in options, so I'm not confident enough to use that. So I will wait a bit. If the if the middle resistance which already have formed, you can clearly see, if this resistance breaks, then I will consider of adding a stop loss to it of around the equivalent point, which is 16 to 17 point upwards, means around the losses. So let's see, we will wait what happened to the market. Let's see. So you can clearly see I had drawn formations. This is clearly down and up formations. So you can clearly see if the market is moving downwards in a particular range, it is going to go up and vice versa. So I could have traded in the previous patterns which I had recently done, but I was busy, and also I don't have the capital to trade right now, because I'm not doing high capital trading right now. So I have only 2 to 3,000 in my account, and I will trade with that one. So I had many rejected order due to lack of the premium. So I will wait. Let's see what happens. I think it might go up, but you can clearly see there is a gap up opening without a valid cause or anything like that. So I think the trend is down, and most probably everyone knows that. So if the market is up, most of the members might think that the market is going to be bullish again, so they will buy the calls and buy the futures, buy the stocks and everything else. But unfortunately the trend is down, and eventually it will fall for the current situation without any proper stimulus. So I think right now you can clearly see I can't make a stop loss order in it, because I already have a target order. So I will prepare for that. You can clearly see the resistance has been broken, so I'm ready for the stop loss. If it's got hidden, I will click on it. It's a market order. I will clearly click on the 90, and already the modified page is set up. So if I see it goes around 91, 92, 93 kind of, I will set that at the market order. And maybe at 90 or 89, 87 it will give a loss to it and it will exit. So right now we are around 160-70 loss. We will wait. This is currently around 7% loss to our capital of the premium. Let's see what happened. It is, it's taking some long time, but market is totally about waiting. You have to wait. Without waiting, you can't exit it without hitting your stop loss or your target. You have to be disciplined enough. You can trail the stop loss if you lose the confidence enough, but I will say stick to the target and the stop loss. If the target is near, then you can trail the stop loss according to yourself, but you don't necessarily increase the target. You can realize the target is quite big. Let's see, maybe even before the target hits, we might exit due to volatility or whatever. So we'll see to it. Let's see. So you can see it is right now trying to go back to the trend. It is the down. Let's see. Currently our loss has been decreased, and it is running around 60-50 loss. So let's see. You can see there is a shoulder pattern also, head and shoulder. Left one is shoulder, the upper one is head, then another is shoulder. And it has broken the neckline, and yet it moved upwards. So it is a particular chance that it will move downwards, but let's see, we can't be sure. At 5-minute chart you can clearly see there is a flag like formation. So though it is an upside movement, it might go upwards, but though the market is volatile and the gap of opening is there, and without any proper news of positivity, so I think it will go down. Okay, so let's see what happens. It is moving around the edges, so I think it will be around our cost price. So let's see what happens. A big candle is forming opposite to our trade. Again it just changed. You can clearly see it just changed the light. The light, I'm telling you, it changed the direction instantly. Okay, you can clearly see we are favorable. The trend is favoring us, and I think we had made some profit out of it. Let's see. Yes, we are making some profit. You can clearly see our support has been broken, so we will trail the stop loss. Okay, because the market is very volatile, I can't take the risk to lose. Let's see. So I think we will hit our target. We will hit our target clearly, but let's see what happens. You have to trail the stop loss to minimize the risk. Let's see. Okay, it has got hidden. Our stop loss has been hidden, and we have booked a profit of 114, and we bought at 106. Within 27 minutes we had booked a profit of 8 rupees of buying of 106, means around 40 minutes 7.5. Okay, this is very good for intraday purpose. 7.5% of your investment capital is quite big, I think, for intraday purpose. Many days I had booked 20-30%, but it is not consistent enough. That consistent percentage 2 to 3%, I think it is more than enough. Okay, so that trade has been ended, and with phone I was googling around and seeing what the market is happening or not. I had exited the desktop, and with phone we just casually see the market and all. That time I saw an opportunity, and I just got into another trade, and my limit is around 1 to 2 trade maximum in favorable condition. So let's see. So I had done another trade, and that another trade was also successful, and we had booked a profit of 6.7% within just 1 minute. Okay, within just 1 minute I have booked a percentage of 6.7 around. On an average, I'm telling you have to calculate it. 6.7% around. So let's see what happened. You can clearly see within 1 minute. So here I will show you the previous trade. At the previous trade, you will see we had exited around 114, but if I waited for 1 or 2 minutes, just 1 or 2 minutes, maximum 2 to 3, just 2 minutes, you can see around 106 we had bought here, 106, and after waiting we had exited around here, so it is 114. So we had exited around 114 at this level, and within 3 minutes we could have hit our target, which was at 121. So that time we could have booked a profit of 15%, but the volatility of the market is very high, so you can't be sure about your target or not. So you have to be trailing your stop loss. This is the rule out right now. You can take the risk, but it is up to individual perspectives. I don't want to take the risk right now, because at the 1 to 3 months before, I used to trade randomly. I see the market is going down and up, and that way I trade, and I had booked many losses. So right now I tend to trail the stop losses a bit. You can clearly see this is another trade which I took around here at 103, and within 1 minute I have booked a profit of trailing it at 110. So I have booked 6.7%, and you can clearly see if I waited just 1 minute, I can book again 121. It's again around 15 to not 15, around 22%, 23% maybe. So but I haven't waited. This is good thing. You shouldn't have to be waiting around. So I haven't waited, and I booked a profit right there.